When you search for the best headers for a 57 Hemi Ram, everything looks pretty similar. Same flashy claims, similar designs. But if you want to find the headers that really boost performance, you've got to dig deeper. Product number 1, YOLANDO Dual Exhaust Muffler Y-Pipe Kit. First up, we have the YOLANDO Dual Exhaust Muffler Y-Pipe Kit, priced at $102.99. What caught my attention here is the dual exhaust system, which is a must-have if you want to maximize flow and sound. If you want a boost in exhaust efficiency, this is worth a serious look. This Y-pipe is designed specifically for the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7L, meaning it's a direct fit, so installation is a breeze, no cutting or welding required. The stainless steel construction helps resist corrosion and heat, which is crucial if you're pushing your truck to the limit. Plus, the improved exhaust flow layout significantly reduces back pressure, which can enhance engine performance. With 4.5 stars from 298 reviews, many buyers are happy with their purchase, and over 50 have scooped this up just in the past month. Now, some folks have mentioned that it only fits models with dual exhaust systems, which can be a bummer if you have a single exhaust setup. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about performance and you already have the dual system, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you have a 2019 Ram 1500 with dual exhaust and you want an easy performance boost. Skip this one if your truck has a different exhaust setup, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if that limitation bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Kit. Next up is the BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Kit, available for $503.20. The first thing that caught my eye is its high silicon ductile iron construction, which is designed for durability and high performance. If you want something built to withstand heavy use, this one is worth a serious look. The longer fasteners and included spacers help ensure a secure fit, reducing the likelihood of leaks that can hurt engine efficiency. With a 4.6-star rating from 137 reviews, buyers appreciate its robust build and fitment. However, some users reported that it doesn't fit the 2019 Plus DT body style, which is a significant consideration. This is a great buy if you need a tough manifold that can handle the strain of heavy use. Skip this if your truck is a newer model or if you're looking for a budget option, but for the quality, it's worth every penny. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more affordable fix. Product number 3, 5.7 HEMI Exhaust Manifold Gasket Set. Now we have the 5.7 HEMI Exhaust Manifold Gasket Set, priced at just $38.99. What immediately grabbed me was its complete kit that includes both gaskets and all necessary bolts. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a look. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including Dodge Ram trucks and even some Jeep models. Plus, with a solid 4.6-star rating from 98 reviews, customers have been satisfied with its performance and longevity. Some users have found that installation can be tricky if you're not familiar with engine work. But honestly, if you're comfortable with basic mechanical tasks, this should be a straightforward process to get your Hemi back in top shape. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable gasket solution for your 57 Hemi. Skip it if you're not into DIY repairs, but for the price, you can't beat the value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, this next product might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 4, Exhaust Headers 158X212. The next option is the exhaust headers from PG PowerGo Motorsport, coming in at $290.39. What stands out here is the polished finish and the fact that it's a direct replacement for stock manifolds. If you want to really amp up your horsepower, this one deserves your attention. This translates into better power across a range of RPMs, particularly from idle to mid-range. With a 4-star rating from 146 reviews, many users have seen a noticeable improvement in performance. However, some customers reported that the installation isn't as easy as advertised and can take some time. But look, if you're up for a bit of a project to achieve that performance boost, it's definitely worth the effort. This is ideal for you if you're seeking improved performance and don't mind a little extra work during installation. Skip this if you're looking for something simple to install right out of the box. But for the performance gains, it's a strong contender. Alright, that brings us to the last product, which might just be the perfect finishing touch for your headers. Product number 5, ARP Header Bolt Kit. Lastly, we have the ARP Header Bolt Kit priced at $74.50. This is a small but crucial component that many overlook. What caught my attention is the quality of these bolts made from polished stainless steel. They're designed to hold everything together securely. If you want peace of mind that your headers are properly bolted down, this is worth considering. These bolts are specifically designed for MOP Argen III Hemi engines and come in a set of 16, which is perfect for a full header installation. Given a 4.7-star rating from 107 reviews, many users trust these for their strength and durability. However, some have mentioned that the price might seem steep for just bolts. Here's the thing, if you're investing in new headers, you want to make sure they're secured properly, and cheap bolts could lead to issues down the line. This is perfect for anyone who wants to ensure a secure fit for their headers. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but for the quality, it's a solid investment to protect your performance upgrades. So to wrap it up, we've covered the YOLANDO Dual Exhaust Muffler Y-Pipe Kit for easy installation, the BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Kit for durability, the affordable Fight Gasket Set for value, the PG PowerGo Motorsport Headers for performance, and the ARP Header Bolt Kit for reliability. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you before making a choice. Happy modding!